Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a delicious cake using your favorite butter cookie. So you guessed it right, today we're making butter cake. Delicious to eat and must try this at home. So easy to make, and with only 2 packets of butter cookies you can make a delicious cake. So let's get started to make this wonderful cake and share it with our friends and family. So let's begin. First I'm going to take Good Day butter cookies, which is delicious and buttery. I'm going to use 2 packets for this cake. So let's go ahead and tear up 1 packet and add that to our blender jar. Now each packet is about 90 grams and I'm using 2 packets. These cookies are already sweet. However, we're just going to add very little sugar, approximately 50 grams of sugar. Next, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. After blending it for about 30 seconds, I'm now going to add my milk. I'm going to be using in total around 100 milliliters of milk. First, I'm going to add 3/4 of it. As you can see now, the consistency of this batter is a little thicker. I'm going to add a little bit more milk to it to make it slightly like a thick cake batter. So the remaining milk that was there, I'm going to add that to the batter. Keep in mind that it has to be a thick cake batter. Okay, so accordingly add your milk. Lovely fine paste. Okay. To this, I'm going to add one teaspoon baking powder, a spoon of baking soda. Butter. I've lined my baking tin with a parchment paper and look at my butter. I'm now going to bake this in a 180 degrees oven, preheated oven, for about 30 minutes. I'll keep checking the oven, and if it's done, I will take it out. So here you go, the cake is now ready. I've kept it to cool as well. Let's go ahead and cut and see how it looks like from inside. Very delicious from outside. Let's see how it looks from inside. Wow. Have a look at it. The cake is so soft, you see, and crumbly. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and like and share the recipe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about the recipes when I post them later. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this butter cake at home. It's so delicious to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.